They don't bite, they don't carry disease, and they're beautiful.
Or ugly. Get ready for a magical cicada spectacle coming in just a week or two. Billions of periodical cicadas from broods 13 and 19 are emerging in late April and May.
I'm Marcia with the University of Missouri Extension Master Gardeners of Greater Kansas City.
And I am Dr. Bug, host of Kids Ask Dr. Bug about the curious things in the garden.
What's all the buzz about? Well, they were last seen together when Thomas Jefferson was President of the United States and Ohio became our 17th state. That was 1803, and they won't be seen together again for 221 years. These aren't your late summer dog day cicadas that we are talking about. These are periodical cicadas, nature's timekeepers.
They follow a mysterious prime number schedule that scientists are still learning about. Having the longest life cycle in the insect world, periodical cicadas seem to magically appear together every 13 or 17 years.
That is exactly why their scientific genus name is Magicicada. These cicadas spend most of their lives underground as nymphs feeding on the sap of tree roots.
Then, as if waiting for the perfect moment, groups of these cicadas emerge together all at once. These are the broods you may have heard about.
Kansas native and K-State graduate numbered the broods, and those numbers are still intact today.
The 17-year cicadas have brood numbers using Roman numerals 1 to 17. So that's I to XVII for each year they emerge. And the 13-year cicadas have brood numbers using Roman numerals 18 to 30, XVIII to XXX.
2024 will see broods 19 and 13 emerging. In Missouri, we will see the 13-year cicada, brood 19, while the 17-year cicada, brood 13, will be mostly in northern Illinois. This map shows the general area where you can find the different broods. Springfield, Illinois may have the best opportunity to double your fun, overlapping the emerging cicadas.
What to expect? It is an event. Periodic cicadas are smaller than their summer cousins and quite pretty compared to the dog day of summer cicada. They have striking red eyes, clear tan wing veins that stand out against their black bodies. Unlike the dog day cicada that sang solo, periodic cicadas trill from dawn to dusk. They trill in unison and nonstop.
It is hard to believe, but the cicada drone can reach up to 100 decibels, which is loud as a hairdryer, a lawnmower, a motorcycle, and that can damage your hearing.
What triggers the millions of cicadas to emerge? It's likely the soil temperature warming into the mid-60s triggers the nymphs to leave their burrow and complete their final molt.
4 to 6 days later, the adult will be hardened off. The males will begin singing in a chorus to attract the females. And once mated, the female excavates an egg nest in the twigs of trees.
While this doesn't hurt mature trees, the sheer number of cicadas can actually kill young trees. So you may want to put off planting new trees or cover small or newly planted trees with a fine mesh material or cheesecloth to protect them during the 4 to 6 weeks the cicadas are out.
One cicada can lay up to 600 eggs. It's no wonder that these events are so spectacular. Once the eggs are laid, they'll hatch in 6 to 10 weeks, fall to the ground, dig their burrow, and find a root to feed on for the next 13 or 17 years. Get ready for a magical cicada spectacle this spring. We will hope to experience billions of periodical cicada broods 13 and 19 emerging.
This event will surely be covered by the local news, and we have included several websites, special cicada websites, in the Show More description section below. You can check out the emergence maps, you can participate by reporting what you see, or just learn more about the habits of the magical cicada genus. We'd love to hear what you experienced. Drop a comment, subscribe to our channel, and until next time,
See you in the garden.